What's going on, guys? Matt Brown with G Automotive Detailing. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to properly wash your vehicle after you have received a ceramic coating or a paint protection film application to your vehicle. So let's dive into it. First, we're going to start with the wheels. These are always the dirtiest part of the car, so we always start with them first. We'll start with our deep wheel clean. We'll get behind the wheel. We'll do the face, the tires, cleaning the undercarriage. And then we'll do all four wheels and go from there. All right, first thing you guys want to do is start with a thorough pre-rinse. But before we get into that, one quick note. You don't want to wash your vehicle in the direct sun, like, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, whatever it is. You do not want to wash it in the direct sun because you can get some water spots on your car while you're washing, and then that paint correction you just paid for, no good. So what we'll do is we'll first start off and we'll pre-rinse the whole vehicle down. All right, guys, after you have thoroughly pre-rinsed the vehicle of all debris and dirt, we're going to start our 2-bucket wash method. So I'm going to go over kind of the start of that now. We have 3 buckets. 1 bucket is for your wheels. The other 2 is for your paint. So this one is our wash bucket and our rinse bucket. And again, I'll get into that in a second. The main thing that you want to avoid when you're washing your vehicle is you don't want to use the same bucket for everything. So you want to have a wheel bucket. The wheel bucket gets extremely dirty, so you don't want to cross-contaminate your clean wash mitts into your dirty bucket. That's no good. So again, I'll get into the wash process. All right, we are now going to start our wash process. As you can see, Greg here is now washing the vehicle. What you want to do is you want to wash the vehicle from top to bottom. Now, why is that? You always want to wash top to bottom because the bottom of the vehicle always has the most dirt on it. So if you're washing the bottom of the vehicle and then you're bringing it up and you're washing the hood, all that dirt that's in that mitt, you're transferring up onto the top section of the vehicle, and you're going to put scratches and swirls and all kinds of bad stuff that you don't want on your paint. So always work from the top down. Okay, now Greg got all the way down to the bottom. He's going to now rinse his mitt out in the rinse bucket, and he's going to grind it against the grit guard. Then he's going to redunk it into his wash mitt, or wash bucket, I should say, and then start on the next section. You want to break down each section one by one. That way there's less contamination, there's less of a chance of you putting swirls and scratches into your paint. All right, guys, after you've fully washed the vehicle, the next step is to just rinse the car off, get all of the soap off the car. Again, do not work in direct sunlight. Please do not work in direct sunlight. In this step especially, you're going to get water spots and things, and then you're going to have to come back in here and spend more money, and we don't want that. So Greg is now rinsing down the vehicle, and we'll get into the drying process next. All right, guys, next up is the drying process. This is where about 75 to 80% of your scratching can come into play here. It's very important to invest in some high-quality microfiber towels. We get these towels. You can probably get them on Amazon. We get them from Shine Supply. It's a high-quality microfiber towel. It's really, really soft for your paint. It really will not let some scratching and swirling get into your paint. Also, what we do here is while we're drying the vehicle, we're going to put this on the vehicle, and I'm going to show you here right now. So what I'll do is I'll take our spray here, and I'll spray, 3 sprays on the panel here, and then I'm going to take our towel and just lightly massage it in here like that. Again, I'm not going like this, and I'm not, that's how swirl marks happen, by going like this. You want to just take the towel, very nice and easy, back and forth motions, just like that. Okay, nice and easy. You don't have to scrub the car. All right. So we'll go around and we'll do the whole vehicle. All right, guys, the car is all done. We did a nice ceramic coating hand wash maintenance detail on it. Just a couple things that I want to kind of reiterate throughout the video. When you wash your vehicle, okay, you don't have to sit here and scrub and go back and forth and this. You just nice and light pressure, barely. You don't want to do any pressure really. You want to just kind of let the soap and the wash mitt kind of do the work. You don't want to sit here and scrub. That's how you get scratches and swirls in your paint. So just let the mitt do the work. Let the soap kind of break down all the dirt and debris and stuff like that. A couple other things too. Invest in high quality microfiber. Don't use those white terry cloth towels or any of your bath towels that you use in the shower. Those are no good. Please, please, please stay away from them. You will scratch your car really, really easily. So you definitely want to avoid that. After we wash the car, we will take our C2V3 from G Technic with a soft microfiber towel, and we'll go over and just kind of wipe up any streaking, any drips from water that may still be present there. And this thing's ready to go. So if you guys have any questions at all going forward, give us a call. If you're washing your car and you're like, I don't know what to do, give us a call. We're more than happy to help you out.